In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add progressive trend tracker in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually located along the top toolbar, near where you change your timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies panel, where you'll be able to search for and add the progressive trend tracker. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly on that search box to activate it. Once it's selected, start typing Progressive Trend Tracker carefully. As you type, TradingView will filter results in real time, showing you anything that matches what you're entering. Give the list a moment to update, then look through the results for Progressive Trend Tracker. It may appear under Community Scripts or a similar section, depending on how it's categorized. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct one by checking its exact name and making sure it matches what you're looking for. Once you've found it, hover over the name and click on it. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You should now see the progressive trend tracker plotted over your price data. This might appear as colored lines, signals, or overlays, depending on how the script is designed. At this point, you can customize it further if you want. To do that, move your cursor to the indicator's name in the upper left corner of the chart, click on the settings icon next to it, and explore the inputs and style options. Here, you can often adjust things like sensitivity, colors, and visibility to better match your trading style and chart layout. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock all the charting features, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It's there to give you an easy path to get started with Pro, and it supports the channel at the same time. Once you're on Pro, you'll have a smoother experience using Progressive Trend Tracker and any other tools you add to your charts.